Another win for the unborn. This channel is about what is the dealio, folkios and folkoramas? I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man. Welcome to my channel, Modern Renaissance Man. This is a variety channel where you can find all kind of things on here, but what you have to do is go to the playlist on my channel. When you go to my channel, click on playlist. Ta-da! Look at all those things I do on there. DIY, how to work on your car, I cook certain things, home improvement things. I do a lot of stuff on this channel. That's why it's called a variety channel. Check all of it out in its entirety. If you have been following me for a while, double check to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. If you just now recently been getting an ear about what my channel is about, keep on filling me out before you subscribe. But if you like these videos that I'm pushing out, click the thumbs up button. That allows the videos to be circulated out there into the YouTube algorithm. All right, appreciate it. Also, if you look down below, you can check the link in the description how you can support this channel. If you want to, great. If you don't, great. You can also check out the merch and different things I have available through Teespring. If you buy something there, great. If you don't, great. I literally get like $1.27 for a t-shirt that you buy. Oh my God, I'm just telling y'all, it's there if you want to support it. Anyway, folks, this right here is some craziness right here in a good way, okay? Let's get into this right here. Arizona ACLU files motion to block state personhood abortion law following the Supreme Court of the United States ruling. The law makes it a felony for a doctor to terminate a pregnancy because of a genetic abnormality. What does that mean? Y'all just don't know. I'm just telling you, I know some people that I've been doing some stuff with. I'm talking about mentoring and all that. I've known the people that terminated their kids because they found out their children were going to have Down syndrome. I have a niece right now. I'm not going to say her name. I have a niece right now that's Down syndrome. I wonder what happened. What would have happened had the mother, who actually has what? The mother. I have 5 nieces, nephews by this particular mother. My brother has 5 kids by this woman, okay? One of them has Down syndrome. I wonder what would have happened if they would have told her that when they found out on that chromosome of hers that her child was going to have Down syndrome, if she would have aborted her. My niece is one of the most funny, energetic people I know. She has Down syndrome. We love her to death. She gets so much attention and love. And people say, oh, that's because they're catering to her. No, it's not. It's because her personality is just magnetizing. I love her to death. She is so funny and crazy. Anyway, the American Civil Liberties Union of Arizona and the Center for Reproductive Rights filed an emergency motion Saturday in an effort to block the state's 2021 personhood law that they argue could be used to ban all abortions in Arizona. The U.S. Supreme Court handed down a ruling Friday overturning Roe versus Wade, meaning states can now enforce their own laws regarding abortion rights. Again, it's not about they eliminated abortion all over the whole nation, folks. No, you hear what they just said? It means that the states now can enforce their own laws, and those laws are going to be put in place by legislators that we, the people, put there. Okay, anyway, let's move on. Arizona has 2 abortion laws, one from more than 100 years ago that bans all abortions, and one signed earlier this year that prohibits the procedure after 15 weeks with exceptions for cases to save the mother's life, which is rare, very rare. People, well, what about the mother's life? Isn't it? Y'all act like that happened with every pregnancy. It don't. It is a very small percentage. It is a very small number. Saturday Motions challenges a 2021 law prohibiting abortions because an unborn child has a survivable genetic abnormality. People were terminating their babies because the baby had a abnormality. You are going to be so embarrassed of your child, or you're going to be so making it feel like this child is going to have such a negative impact on your life that you just, okay, kill it. Kill the little bastard. Kill the little bastard. Just kill it. It's not even a baby. It's a parasite. It's not even a child. I don't care. It's going to have a genetic abnormality. I don't want it. My niece right now, can you imagine if the mother decided to abort her because of her genetic abnormality of Down syndrome? Can you imagine if she would have aborted her, the laughs we wouldn't have gotten? We wouldn't have gotten those laughs. We wouldn't have gotten seeing what type of joyous person that she is, joking with her, messing with her. We would not have been able to experience all those joys that my niece brought us and is still bringing us to this day. I just went to her. I just went and she graduated from high school just this past May. I went, celebrated with her, and her sister graduated from high school. She was in there getting down, dancing, and everything. Can you imagine? Had the mother aborted her, we would not even know what my niece is or who she is or what she could have brought. Man, y'all just don't know, because she has a genetic abnormality. Just imagine she would have did that. So anyway, it says that law makes it a felony for a doctor to terminate a pregnancy because of a genetic abnormality in the case where the baby actually can be, the baby can survive. Okay, let's move on down a little bit more. Saturday's motion challenges a 2021 law prohibiting abortion sought because of an unborn child. I just read that, didn't I? Went on back up. A U.S. district judge blocked a portion of the genetic abnormality law last year, but opted against placing the personhood provision on hold. The provision notes that the state will interpret all laws to grant civil rights to unborn children. The ACLU and the Center for Reproductive Rights claim the personhood provision subjects medical providers and pregnant women to potential prosecution, saying providers could get charged under several laws, including child endangerment or assault. Why can't that be right now, boy? Do it now. No, anyway, I know. Let me stop. I know I'm a little excited over this. Some of y'all are just pissed off. Why are you so happy about women and their health? It's not your health. It's the baby health. Tell me this. If it's about women's health, you were able to abort your child based off of a survivable genetic abnormality. You were able to abort your baby off of that, right? Who has the abnormality, the baby or you? If it's about your health, it's not about your health. It's about your persona. It's about what you would look like in society. It's about you actually running the risk of being embarrassed because your child might have, like what my niece has, Down syndrome. But nobody is embarrassed by that. Nobody has been one time been embarrassed by my niece because she has Down syndrome. Not once. So if it's about women's health and taking away a woman's health, who has the genetic abnormality, the woman or the baby? Yeah, like I said, crazy folks. It's really easy. It's simple. But you just know that deep down in your heart, when nobody else is around, you want to do this because of the impact that it will have on your life, having to raise your child who might have a genetic disability or genetic abnormality. Crazy. Anyway, the Center for Arizona Policy, a conservative nonprofit lobbying group, said Saturday that the state legislature approved the law to affirm that unborn children have full rights if Roe versus Wade were reversed. Full rights. Babies got rights. Boy, the overturning of Roe allows the states to set abortion laws. Group President Kathy Herritt said Arizona set this law to say that unborn children are protected in the law. Yes, they are. Man, y'all human beings, y'all get me sometimes. Y'all will go crazy advocating for whale rights and seal rights and penguin rights and endangered gorilla rights and all this. Y'all will go ham crazy should somebody do something to an animal. But our own species, humans, the most dominant, the most intelligent, the most uniquely, fearfully, wonderfully made creation that God put on this earth to dominate all creatures. But we will sit there and kill our own. But we'll go out there and protect species that he gave us dominance over. That is ridiculous. These animals have their own kids and put their lives on the line to protect their kids. But us, kill the little bastards. I don't want one. It's a parasite. It has an abnormality. It might have Down syndrome. Kill the little bastard. Please take it out of me, doctor, because I do not want this to have any type of impact on my life where I might be embarrassed by my child because my child has the abnormality. Crazy. The case, which was filed on behalf of two abortion providers, argues that the personhood law is too vague. The law states that civil and criminal laws should ensure the rights of fetuses, embryos, and fertilized human eggs at any stage of development. According to the motion, the law does not offer guidance on applying it to abortion care. Abortion providers across the state were forced to cease procedures following Friday's 5-4 Supreme Court ruling. And y'all boy know the View is probably steaming right now because like Donald Trump is still kicking. He's still kick button. He ain't even in office. Yes, this is because of Donald Trump. Donald Trump elected two Supreme Court judges into Supreme Court while he was there. And look what it's done. He put Amy Coney Barrett in there and look what this has done. I think, did I say two? I mean, I might have it wrong. Don't quote me on that misinformation. I'm going to look it up though, because I'm going to do a little thing on here what Donald Trump did as well too, because I know it's going to piss a lot of y'all off. Anyway, folks, this to me is awesome news. This is great news right here because you need to actually understand that once you are pregnant and you have a baby, man, I can't believe some people, I'm still completely wholeheartedly against it. If you have a baby at 15 weeks in you and you can still kill it, that's crazy to me. We need to go after that too. Now, some people say, Ty, well, I heard you made a comment about, when it has a heartbeat, it's a human. I didn't say that. I said a heartbeat is life. A heartbeat is life. When there's a heartbeat, there's life. If that heart stops, there's no more life. Because then people, shout out to my girl who told me about this, because then people start, what's human? What do you mean human? Now we're going to argue the definition of human instead of actually what a human is. We only know what a woman is now. I mean, my God. Anyway, folks, this is actually some good news to me. I'm glad that people are actually starting to wake up, starting to fight. But at the same time, pay attention to everything that's going on in your legislation, your local, national, federal level. Make sure you keep paying attention to things that are going on when it comes to our government too, because these things that's happening right now with the Supreme Court ruling, make sure you don't find out all of a sudden that the same time this happened, the next day they pass a bill to allow X, Y, and Z, and we don't even know it because we're so focused on this right here. Good news right here, folks. Anyway, if you disagree with me on this whole ordeal, I would like to hear why. Leave it in the comment section below after this video, all right? I'm letting you know right now, if some of you guys are complaining about your comments being not showing, I have nothing to do with that. I'm about free speech. You can say what you want to. I do not care. You can call me the N-word, the report. Call me what you want to. I do not care, but I don't delete or take down your comments. That's a YouTube thing, okay? So anyway, folks, let me know what y'all think. Don't forget, double check to make sure that you are still subscribed to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Click it right now. Click the like button right now, because some of y'all forgot, didn't y'all? Yeah, you forgot, didn't you? Click it right now. That way you won't forget. I was so engaging that you just completely forgot, didn't you? Oh, yeah, I forgot to do it now. That allows the video to get put onto the YouTube algorithm. Again, you can check the links in the description down below, how you can support the channel, yada yada peanut butter, how you can buy merch, whatever like that. If you do either of those things, great. If you don't, great. Okay? Appreciate it, folks. I am Ty Smith, modern Renaissance man, hoping and praying that every last one of you have food, shelter, and clothing, and most of all, I hope and pray every last one of you guys are in great health, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. God bless you all. On everybody, so hey, check this out. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to view these videos. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also right here is where you can catch the next video, the latest video that I've done. But like right up here, this is stuff that I've done kind of in the past. So in this area, you might find a video that I've done in the past. It can be funny, it can be something serious, it does not matter. But this is something that you can also do to check out more material that I do in my channel, because I do a lot in this channel, all right? So again, appreciate everything from you guys. Keep on watching it, keep on supporting it, and God bless you all.